Okay, let us continue to solve some more problems on properties of determinants. See here, this is also 4 marks question which will be asked in party. So what is the question here? Using the properties of determinants, prove that. Okay, observe the elements 1, 1, 1. So in the first column, all the elements are 1, A, B, C, B, C, C, A, A, B. See in the right hand side, you should get 3 factors: A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. So A minus B, B minus C. See here, here I can easily point out here A minus B. Okay, then B minus C, A minus B, then B minus C, B minus C. That means I can apply directly on first row and second row. So these are the options. So consider the LHS and I can apply on first row. So first row changes to R1 minus R2 and second row changes to B minus C. Then I can change it as R2 minus R3. So 2 operations at a time. So I am going to change first row and second row. So what happens in the next step? So I can write the determinant. See, first row and second row will change. So I will write the third row. So I have to go row wise. AB. See, R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1, that will be 0. See, A minus B. A minus B. See, BC minus CA. So we can do the rough work here. BC minus CA. See what happens here? BC minus CA. So if I take C outside, I will get B. See, B minus A. So here already A minus B is first. I should get A. Afterwards B. So to do that, I can take minus A. See, minus outside and C. See, minus. I will write first A minus. Then I will write B. C minus A. C minus into minus. This will be plus B C. So to get first term A, take minus outside. So I will get here minus of minus C into A minus B. Okay, minus C into A minus B. Then in second row changes to second row minus third row. See, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then this will be B minus C. See here, CA minus AB. Same thing here, CA minus AB. So A is common. So you take minus A outside so that you can get B as a first term here. So B minus C. See, minus into minus plus CA minus AB. So I can write this minus A into B minus C. So these are the common factors. So we can work out this side here. See here. Then observe the elements here. See, first row, second row. So in the first row, I have A minus B as a common factor, and in the second row, I have B minus C as a common factor. So I can take A minus B from R1, B minus C from R2. So taking A minus B from R1 and B minus C from R2, second row. So we have, so I can write A minus B, I will take it outside, B minus C, then you write the determinant. So row wise, okay, we have taken the common elements from rows. So row wise means horizontally. So 0, first element is 0. See, A minus B is outside, I will get 1. Then minus C. So last element is minus C. Similarly, second row, 0. Then B minus C is outside, get 1 here. Then minus A. C minus A. Then third row remains same, 1 C A B. Okay, so we can check the elements. So these are the elements which are left here. See here, see 0, 0, this is 1, 1. So I got A minus B and C, A minus B and B minus C. So one factor remaining here, C minus A. So we can expand along first row. Or see, still I can reduce this to 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So I can make it one more operation. You see, R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So what I will get, A minus B into B minus C. Then I will write the determinant here. Okay, R1 minus R2. So second row, I will write it as it is. 0 minus 0, that is 0. See, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then minus C, that is, you can write here, minus C, minus of minus A. See, minus C, minus of minus A, that is minus C plus C. Okay, minus C plus A, or that will be written as A minus C. A minus C. Okay, so that is A minus C. Then third row, I can write it as it is. Okay, so A minus B into B minus C. Now we can expand this determinant along first row. So let us expand that along first row in the next step. So we can write it here. Expanding along first row. So what I will get? See, a minus b into b minus c into c. Then plus minus plus here 0 0. So you delete these two elements. So you consider only this element. So a minus c. See, a minus c. A minus c. Leave this column and this row. Okay, this column and this row. What we deleted? 0 into c, that is 0, minus 1 into 1, that is what? 1. See here, a minus c, then 0 into c, 0, 0 minus 1. So that is a minus b into b minus c. So I got already these two factors here. So then 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. So that is 0 minus 1. I can write minus 1 here. Minus of, I write this as it is a minus c. So that is nothing but a minus b into b minus c into c minus, see this is minus a. If we remove minus a plus a, that will be what? C minus a. So that is our third factor. So this is RHS. See, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay. In this step also you can expand along first row. So I have applied R1 minus R2. Then I have simplified this. So you need not write all the steps here. So after practicing it, you can write it directly. Okay. So let us consider another problem. On the properties of determinants. So what is the property? So using the properties of determinants, prove that. So let us write the determinant here. Prove that b plus c, first column, I am writing the first column. Then second column is a, c plus a, then c, a, b, then sum of these two, that is a plus b. And on the right hand side, you should get over ABC. Okay, this is another problem for 4 marks. So all the problems will not be same here. Every problem will be different from the previous problem. So observe and practice all the problems carefully. So first observe the steps. So as usual, we shall consider the LHS. So what is the LHS here? Determinant is given as b plus c, b, c, a, c plus a, c. Then this a, b and a plus b. See, first step what we are going to write here, that is the very important here. So if you go wrong here, then everything will be wrong. Okay. So see here, how can I make it 0? Can I make it 0? So is it possible to make any one of the elements as 0? How can I make it by row operations or column operations? See here, lot of students will do like this. C3 changes to C3 minus C2, then A minus A, it will be 0. Okay. If I take a second column here, C2 minus C1, then C minus C, it will be 0. Okay. In that way also we can start our operations. That also gives the answer there. So you can do or follow any method here. So here what I am going to do here is, see, here first row, what is the first row here? B plus C, A and A. So what happens, as I told earlier, if I consider column wise and row wise. So see here, row wise, see here, first row, first element is B plus C. Then this second row, first element is B. Third row, first element is C. Here B plus C is given. See, sum of these two is given here, B plus C. So if I subtract, see, B plus C is given, B minus C, then B plus C minus of B minus C. Oh, okay, I can make it 0 here. How can I make it 0? See here, what is the first element here? B plus C. It is R1. That is the first element of first row. If I subtract second element, see second row, first element, that is B. See R2, that is minus B. Then in the third row, so I have C as the element here. See C. So if I take C minus R1 minus R2 minus, see if I apply on first row, so R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. See B plus C minus B minus C. Then minus B plus B minus C plus C get cancelled. See I got 0. So I can apply R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Okay, this is my first operation here. So what will be the determinant here? I will change the first row. So second row C plus A B, then third row is C A plus B remains same. So R1 minus R2 minus R3 means what? So B plus C minus B minus C, B plus C minus B minus C, I got 0. So this is 0. Similarly, see R1 minus R2 minus R3. So that is A minus of C plus A minus C. Then that is, you remove the bracket, A minus C minus A minus C. So this minus A plus I get minus C, that will be what? Minus 2C. So I can write this minus 2C here. Then similarly see here, R1 minus R2 minus R3. So that is A, first element is A minus B, C minus of, here we have to write the bracket. Okay, you can write it directly. So just I will remove the bracket, minus A minus B. Okay, so minus A plus I get cancel, minus B minus B, that will be what? Minus 2B. So I can write this as minus 2B. So you can make the rough work aside separately and write it here. Okay, R1 minus R2 minus R3. So I will change the first row. Okay, see here. Then I have reduced this element to 0. Then this became minus 2C. Then this is minus 2B. So then afterwards we can expand along first row directly, or we can apply one or two more row operations or column operations. So here row operation not possible here. Column operation, if I apply column operations here, as I told earlier, C2 minus C1 means we can subtract minus 2C minus 0 minus 2C, then C plus A minus B, then C minus C, it will be 0. So I can apply that also. Otherwise we can expand along the row here. Okay, let us expand this. Expanding along first row. This is plus minus plus. So what I will get here? See, this one is 0, 0 into 0. Then you consider the second element. See, minus into minus, that is plus. That is 2C into, see, you leave this column and this row. Okay, I'll write this one. 2C into, see, this column and this row. See, B into A plus B. B into A plus B. B into A plus B minus B into C. That is BC. Okay. Then plus into minus, minus 2B into, see, leave this column and this row. So B into C, that is BC minus C into C plus A. C into C plus A. So we can simplify this. 2C into C, A into B, AB, plus B into B, B square, minus BC. Then minus 2B into C, BC, minus C into C, C square, plus into minus CA. So I can multiply this here, 2C into AB, that is 2ABC, plus 2CB square, minus 2C square BC, C into C, C square, C into C, C square B. Okay, this is not C here. Okay, so this into this. So 2C square B, then I remove this bracket here, C minus 2B square, B into B square C, then minus to minus, plus 2BC square, then minus to minus, plus 2ABC. Okay, so I can multiply all the elements here. See, 2CB square or B square C, C plus 2B square C minus 2B square C, this equal and opposite, then plus 2BC square minus 2BC square, this also get cancels, 2ABC plus 2ABC, that will be what? 4ABC. It is our RHS. So that we got the RHS 4ABC. Okay. So this is simple problem compared to previous problem. So let us consider one more example in the next class.